Guys, so today I'm going to be doing a first impression on a palette that I am super excited to say that is mine, and that is the James Charles palette. I was just scrolling through Instagram on Sunday and I saw that Trend Mood announced that it was back in stock on Ulta, and I was just like, I need this palette in my life. And my husband was so sweet by ordering it for me. Super excited. I literally just got it today. I haven't touched any of the eyeshadows. I was supposed to get it on the 11th, but I got it today, so it got here in 2 days, which is super quick for anything that I've ordered that's not on Amazon Prime, because you know, sometimes you just don't want to wait for stuff to get in the mail. Like, this video isn't really a tutorial or a review. It really is just, you know, me just getting it. I haven't played around with it and I just want to play around with it and see how I feel about it, you know, a first impression. So yeah, that is what today's video is going to be. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media. You can follow me at Beauty by Hannah Nicole on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitch. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this video and if you like me. But anyway, let's get into the James Charles palette. Let's stay here. Let's stay here. I have the eyeshadow names. My grandma is awesome and she's ordering me some tape for a label maker, so that way I can have clear with white lettering, so that way I can put the eyeshadow names on the actual palette. Okay, I'm gonna zoom y'all in a little bit. Let's do like a pinky purple look. I'm gonna take, whoa, my voice cracked. I'm going to take my Morphe M513 and I'm gonna take the shade Pinkity Drinkity. That's gonna be like our transition shade. Oh, let me blend out my concealer. I know that James said to use this with an eyeshadow primer. I don't have one, so I just got some on my brush. This is a very light pink, but that is perfectly fine. I'm using it for a transition shade. This kind of reminds me of cherry blossoms. I know it looks like I'm going in with a lot of layers, but I'm literally just tapping my brush to it super lightly and going in, because it's better to go in with layers instead of just packing on the color, because it's easier to blend with layers than it is to just pack on color, especially if you're using darker colors. Okay, I'm then gonna go in with Love That, which is literally the shade next to Pinkity Drinkity. It looks like that. Oh, okay, she pigmented. Okay, so I literally just tapped into it once. Okay, so super pigmented, super easy to blend. I'm happy. Oh my gosh, I've only used 2 eyeshadows and I'm already super happy with this. I forgot to say this in my intro, and I hate how I have to say this whenever I'm using a product that everybody else is raving about or talking about. I'm not being paid to talk about this video. I'm not being sponsored to talk about this video. I'm a super small YouTuber. I have under 100 subscribers, so I don't think Morphe or James or anybody who is super famous on YouTube knows who the hell I am. I am just a small YouTuber who loves makeup and wants to try this palette and talk about it. So there you go. I'm gonna go back in with Pinkity Drinkity and just blend out the edges just a tad bit. I'm gonna go in with a slightly smaller brush. I'm gonna go in with Single, which is like that really pretty true purple, and apply that to the outer corner as well. I love purple. It is my favorite color. I don't know if you could tell. Purple straw, purple drink. So I was super excited when I saw that there was like a whole section of purple. Purple is for royalty and I am a queen. This is super easy to blend as well, and I'm just going in with layers. These shadows are super pigmented and they're super easy to blend, which I really like. Sometimes colorful eyeshadows are really hard to formulate. Either they're super pigmented and hard to blend, or they are super easy to blend and they're not pigmented. This has both. They're super pigmented and they're super easy to blend. I'm going to go into Escape. I'm going in with an E17. Apply that to the outer corner and work it into the crease. I like how he added darker colors of the bright colors, like he added a dark green, a dark blue, a dark purple, because sometimes when you want to deepen up a look, you don't want to always use black. Sometimes you just want to keep it in that color family. I like how I don't have to use a black to deepen up this look. Ooh, I grabbed way too much. Okay, then we're gonna go in with a Morphe 504 just to further blend out the edges. You watched my 2018 favorites tutorial. This brush, I don't put anything on it. I use it just to blend out the edges. Sometimes you just need a clean blending brush. I'm gonna go in with a mixture of single and pinkity drinkity, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges. I think I'm gonna do a tiny little cut crease. I didn't do it the way that I normally do it. What did I do? Okay, I'm gonna go in with Artistry, which is that really pretty purple color, and I'm gonna apply that on the lid with my finger. So I'm just applying it where I want it first, and then I'm gonna go in with a brush where I can't reach it with my fingers. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna go back in with Escape and Single. I'm gonna mix the two together and use that to blend the outer corner and that shimmer shade together. Artistry kind of reminds me of like a topper. That's kind of what it feels like. It's more sheer. Okay, so far I'm obsessed with these shadows. They are super pretty. I'm gonna do my other eye and my face off camera, and then we will do the rest of the eyes. Okay, so we are back. I can cut crease on my left eye the way that I do it a lot better than I tried to do on this eye. So if my right eye and my left eye don't look symmetrical cut crease wise, then that is why. Okay, so I'm gonna highlight my inner corner. What do I want to use? You know, I'll just mix all three. Why not? I'm just taking that on an M506 and applying that to the inner corner. I'm mainly using Sisters since it has kind of like that pinky undertone. We're gonna do my lower lash line, so I just clean that brush up, and I'm gonna take Pinkity Drinkity and apply that to the lower lashes. Again, this is like a really light pink color, so more of a transition color. Gonna go in with a little bit of Love That. And then I'm gonna go in with Single, same brush, and apply that on top. I went a little low on the lower lash line. Ooh, it's okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a super small pencil brush. This is the E36. It's like super tiny. And I'm just gonna take literally like the tiniest bit of Escape and apply that just to the outer corner. Okay, I'm first gonna go in with Face as my highlight. It does look a little dark, but we'll see how that goes. And I'm just taking my good old 510 highlighting brush. It's a little dark. You can kind of see a shadow. It's okay, I'll go over it with a ring light. It's only really noticeable right here in this one spot. So I'm just gonna take a 573 and take a mixture of ring light and Face. Yes, I know there is liquid lipstick on my brush. I don't highlight the bridge of my nose too much, but just a little bit. I really like those two as a highlighter. I can't apply too much or it'll look a little dark. I'm gonna finish up my makeup and then I will talk about how I feel about this palette. So this is my completed look using the James Charles palette. My overall thoughts on this palette as a first impression, this is a really good palette. I can see why everybody raves about it and is in love with it. The look that I came up with, I am super obsessed with. Obviously, I didn't use all the shades in the palette, but the shades that I did use, the formula was really, really great. They were super easy to blend, super pigmented, they weren't patchy, they didn't grip onto certain parts of my eye and were being little buttholes like some colorful eyeshadows I've used have done. But I have nothing but good thoughts about this palette. I totally recommend it to anybody, whether you are advanced or you are a beginner but you've played around a little bit with makeup. But yeah, this is a really good palette and I'm super excited to do more looks with this. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can follow me on all my social media at Beauty by Hannah Nicole on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitch. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos like this. That's it for this video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!